Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon us all. Dear students, welcome to the fifth session of the online tutorial. This week you are going to learn how to write a story based on pictures. You can find this week's topic in Module 5, which consists of 3 learning activities. They are writing an opinion about a situation, writing a radio news script, and writing a story based on pictures. The grammar focuses of this week are have to, have got to, must, and need to, question tag, and also passive voice. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a story based on pictures using proper grammar, spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 5 and do assignment 2. Wishing you lots of luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.